In this tutorial, we are discussing about how to use a break to exit a loop. So first of all, Java break statement. Java has features that allow you to use jump statements. Jump statements are flow control statements that cause a jump to another part of your program. So Java supports three jump statements and break is one of the type of Java jump statement. Let's discuss about Java break statement. When a break statement is encountered inside a loop, the loop is immediately terminated and the program control resumes at the next statement following the loop. The Java break statement is used to break loop or switch statement. It breaks the current flow of the program at a specified condition. In case of inner loop, it breaks only inner loop. We can use Java break statement in all types of loop such as for loop, while loop and do while loop. Here is the syntax of Java break statement. First of all, jump statement and then break. When we use break, the program automatically terminates from the desired loop or the switch statement. Here is the flow control of the break statement. First, the condition within the loop. And if it true, then the break statement will execute. And after the break statement will execute, the whole condition or the whole loop will just terminate. And when the condition becomes false, it goes inside the loop once again another time until and unless it doesn't become true. Let's see the code of how to use Java break statement. First of all, we make a class, public class break example, and inside the class we make a main method and then we use a loop. Here what happens, we just put a condition that if I equals to 5, then we apply break statement. And we all know that after applying the break statement, it will just terminate the loop. And then we print system.out.println I. Just save it and execute it. Java break example dot Java. Hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java break example. See, it will print only 1, 2, 3, 4 because we use the condition that if I equals to 5, it just terminated from the loop. Let's comment it and use the same loop without the break statement. Again, it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. It will print the value 1 to 10 because there is no termination statement. So it will continue the statement and it will be terminate after the loop will just the condition becomes false. So this is the help with the help of break statement we can utilize this thing. Let's discuss about the break in the switch example. What happens here that int number is equals to 10 and 10 matches those condition which that condition will be, that statement will be printed over here. And we use break statement after every statement that once a condition match, it just terminate from the loop. Let's save it and execute it. Java switch example dot Java. See, it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. Java switch example. See, it will only print high 10 because we use the break statement. And once it will catch this condition, just a statement will be print and it just terminate it from the switch statement. If I remove this break over here, then what happens? Then it will print the high 10 and 20 both because the statement will continue up to the break statement strike. Let's execute it. See, it will print height 10 and 20 both because break statement is after 20. And if I remove the break statement from whole, then what happens? Then it will print all the case values. Let's see it. Again it compiles successfully. Let's execute. See, it will print all the case values because it will in the loop after the case 10, and hence it print all the values. So this is why it is preferred or it is recommended to use the break statement in loop just to terminate it from the loop after the condition match. So in this way we can achieve the break statement. Thank you.